Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to get Google Chat on Gmail app. First of all, of course, you have to open your Gmail app on your phone. And then you can click on this button on the top of your screen. And scroll down your screen and find Settings menu. It's right here, guys. And click on it. And choose the account that you want to use to chat someone on Gmail, and I'm choosing this account. Alright, and find chat option. It's right here, and you can click on this button. Okay, click on it and wait for a moment. Alright, and to chat someone on Google Chat, on Gmail, you can click on this button. Wait. Alright. Okay guys, that's how we can get Google Chat on Gmail app, and thanks for watching. See you on the next video.